Today we're making sour cabbage and tofu. Cut the tofu into 2 centimeter pieces. Rinse the sour cabbage with clean water and cut it into small pieces. Bring the water to a boil and blanch the tofu cubes for a minute. Blanching removes the beany flavor from the tofu. It also helps the tofu stay intact. Drain the tofu and set aside. Heat oil in a pan. Add chopped green onions and ginger and stir fry until fragrant. Add the sour cabbage and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir fry until the sour cabbage is fragrant. You can also add sliced pork belly before adding the sour cabbage. Add the tofu. Pour in some water. The water should just cover the tofu. Add soy sauce, pepper, salt, and chicken bouillon. Bring to a boil over high heat. Cover and simmer for 5 to 8 minutes. Adjust the salt to your taste. Once cooked, transfer to a bowl. Pour hot oil over minced garlic and chili peppers. Drizzle over the dish. If you don't like it spicy, skip the chili peppers. Sour cabbage is salty, so add salt sparingly. This dish pairs perfectly with rice. Give it a try.